going to a place called Pagham Harbour, which is unfortunately one of the busiest lines. The train is going to Portsmouth and Bognor Regis, so the train is very much jam-packed. People going to the beach, but it is pretty good in the UK. It's actually about 32 degrees. So there's been a squacco heron at Pagham Harbour for some time now, and today I decided to go down there and see if I can get some nice shots of it. Some people also managed to get shots of kingfisher, so we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed. So we are near the sea and it's bloody hot. Anyway, so here I decided to come and check up on a squacco heron that's been in the UK for some time now. So I came to Chichester by train, which was obviously jam-packed because the weather is good and everybody's going to the sea. And I had to take a local bus. And now I have to find my way by walk, which can be a bit of a challenge. Okay, interesting. Right, let's go back then. So, squacco heron. There's been one specimen around Pagham Harbour, and so I'm hoping to find it. I've come a bit late. Well, it's early afternoon, but hopefully it is still active, still moving around, still visible, and hopefully I will get the sun in a good position to not have the bird in half shadows or crap lighting. So fingers crossed, and I'll check back in later when I get there. Now that said, the place is pretty. Very little houses. Looks to be a nice walk so far. But the heat, that's kind of surprising. What's the temperature? Let me check. Say about 32 degrees. Very important, if you're light skinned, do not go out to the sun without any sun protection. Sun cream, sun lotion, spray, whatever. And the lighter your skin, the higher the SPF should be of the product. So I'm actually using a 50 SPF lotion in the form of spray. It's pretty good, but I think it probably offers about a 90% protection, and the rest will still get burnt. It should look like a wildlife haven. I've actually heard some little creeps, maybe. There's some coots over there. But that's not why I'm interested in. I need a squacco heron. Oh, that's why I hate Google Maps, because sometimes it's giving you stupid instructions. So it wanted me to walk along there. Oh, where's the path? Strange. Stick to the paths. What? The path is flooded. Now there was a, I believe it was a pub there called the Crab and Lobster, and as you walked downwards you see a path to the right, which to be honest I have no idea where it leads. You can see there's a gate, so I don't know if that's a private land or if there's a public right of way. Well, I've seen a couple walking there. I should really be asking them if they're also going for the squacco heron or just walking around. But if I catch up with them, I'm going to ask. Let's see. Interesting. I'm not even sure if I'm on the right path. I don't know if they came this way or the other way. I think they went through the gate. That means I need to check where they... Oh, there they are. Let's see if they can give me some better advice.
Okay, you can carry on if you like. Your footwear's probably better than ours for this. It may just be the odd bit, so it might be alright.
Question is how much water there's. Yeah. I wouldn't particularly like to be drowned. But doesn't look very promising, to be honest.
No.
Right, so apparently there's the path where I was supposed to be walking downwards, but apparently it's high tide, so the path is flooded. So I'm kind of confused as to what time I should be coming to be able to get to the bloody heron. Great. So after consulting a really nice lady in this crab and lobster place, who was really helpful, I should have actually gotten her name. Anyway, shout out to her. If she ever sees this video, my gratitude. So she said that past the path I took, which was the first on the right, there should be another one also on the right. There should be a gate that I am supposed to cross and across the field, and there's a public right of way. So fingers crossed that's going to lead me to the bloody bird. And my phone is dying, 4%. My bloody power bank is dead. So pray for me. I popped into this nice little pub. On my way back from the heron. It's pretty conveniently located, so make sure you pop in either on the way there or on the way back. I'll get maybe a half pint of cider that I'm drinking right now. And anyway, I was the guys and they could choose my phone, so they said yeah, that's fine, it's no problem. So I'm really grateful for that. Thumbs up. Staff are excellent. So I believe I found another way. Public footpath. Yay, so you come a bit further down from there and you get to this place called Horses Farmhouse. And theoretically, should be able to go through like that. almost found the path. Oh my days. Okay, quick battery change, and then it's a bit like a mission adventure game. Figure out which gate to go through. Wow, this must be the one, because this is what you usually find in public right-of-way settings. I literally hate these. Oh god. Okay, wow. Let's see if this is the right path to the bloody heron. Oh goodness me. So far so... people. It's a good sign. But the question is the heron still there? Or has it gone into hiding? It's a bloody good questions. I'm hoping to find out from these people. Well, I found the place, but not the heron, according to the two guys that I've just met. The bird has not been seen since 11 something ish, so that's not making me happy at all. Bloody hell. Fucking bird. It's always by the time I come somewhere it disappears. It's fucking ridiculous, really. Apart from being annoying. Maybe the god of bird is going to be on my side and will command the bird to come back, but yeah, I'm not sure. This looks like it is meant to be a stream or a creek of some sort, but it's all dry as fuck. Bloody hell. Anyway, I'm going to put the GoPro away for now. Let me try to see if I can locate the bird. I found the bird. He's there. The bloody bird took itself and flew across here somewhere. Now this is problematic because we are dealing with large distances to the other side of the bloody water. I'm sure it's one of those over there among the egrets, hiding somewhere. Bloody bastard.